on Wall Street. Should've been on a ball team. Could give a fuck about y'all team, cause I don't really feel none of y'all. Morphine. Wall Street, Wall Street,
Wall Street,
Wall Street, Wall Street,
Wall Street,
Wall Street, Wall Street. Now my stock rising, got their eyes on me.
Wall Street.
Had drive since the car seat. Now it's floor seats for the posse. And if you're asking what it cost me, honestly nothing, because they count me killing them soft. This ain't a movie, but I'm on the rail. Stay with a few G's like I'm Lauryn Hill. The summer tour net $250,000, and I'm torn still, pocket full of foreign bills. I'm talking cake, that Nikki Heaton, that Jen Selter, ooh, sweet Jesus. And my lawyer said don't sign no release. We call them the Middle East, cause they all want a piece. Wall Street, could've been on Wall Street. Should've been on a ball team. Could give a fuck about y'all team, cause I don't really feel none of y'all. Morphine. Wall Street, Wall Street,
Wall Street,
Wall Street, Wall Street,
Wall Street,
Wall Street, Wall Street. Now my stock rising, got their eyes on me.
Wall Street.
We at the parties with the passwords. On the rocks without Adler. Jacket full of green like the Masters. Trying to smoke, find the holes, then we goes. Now we can't remember shit, Alzheimer's. Burn so many joints, you think I was arthritis. Better call Midas, cause you won't get a break from me. Your girl a layup, so it's mine, so I'll take the 3. Late night, let 'em in, doorman, let 'em in. Send 'em up, get it in, run it back, Edelman. And that's why I don't fuck with Tinder, man. Cause one screenshot, then it's up on Instagram. Damn. Could've been on Wall Street. Should've been on a ball team. Could give a fuck about y'all team, cause I don't really feel none of y'all. Morphine. Wall Street, Wall Street,
Wall Street,
Wall Street, Wall Street,
Wall Street,
Wall Street, Wall Street. Now my stock rising, got their eyes on me.
Wall Street.
At 21 I had a midlife crisis, but I ain't lose my head, this ain't ISIS. I just stayed the course, I just paid it forward, didn't plan it, but didn't panic, and now I'm making more. Fuck dollars, I need commas. Fuck promise, I need progress. And nowadays I just rage, then I get the bill. Hit the stage, then I get some K's like I'm pitching still. And I'ma win, you more like Seattle. Cause when it matters, you ain't running shit, you Pete Carroll. I'm young and I'm fucking the game up, I'm making my way up. Straight up, I stay up, like that plane from Malaysia. Could've been on Wall Street. Should've been on a ball team. Could give a fuck about y'all team, cause I don't really feel none of y'all. Morphine. Wall Street, Wall Street,
Wall Street,
Wall Street, Wall Street,
Wall Street,
Wall Street, Wall Street. Now my stock rising, got their eyes on me.
Wall Street.
Motherfucker.